friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, and I wanted to share with you exactly how you can join the Close to My Heart VIP program. I got about 9 messages since last evening, these last 24 hours, and there were questions about how to spend the immediate $25 cash that you get. So in case you missed my Facebook Live yesterday, I'm just hanging outside because it's a beautiful day and it's a beautiful Saturday, and yeah, there's good stuff happening. So as you jump on, just say hello, give me a little heart, like whatever. I don't have my normal program opened up, so because of that, I can't see how many people are on right now. So just say hello so that I can say hi to you. Anyway, hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Black Friday has been awesome. We've had so much fun welcoming in tons of new people into the VIP program. I have become an advocate for Close to My Heart influencer situation. And so I wanted to share with you, it's a brand new VIP program, and they just launched it. They've kind of overhauled their entire structure and program with how they used to do things, because our world has evolved and changed so much. We're not really doing house parties anymore, home parties within the crafting world. We're not doing things the way that we used to. So this is a brand new program that, instead of becoming a consultant, and it used to be that if you joined as a consultant, you know, you'd get a commission and you'd get a discount on the products that you purchased. And previously, when I was a consultant, I had 200 and some people that were on my team literally just to get their own discount. But they were not really interested in building a business. It was a lot to keep up with the quarterly sales minimums and all of these different things. So Close to My Heart took a really hard look at that and said, you know what, let's create a VIP program that allows people who are hobbyists and enthusiasts and love crafting to earn their own 15% credit cashback rewards on their favorite crafting supplies. And Close to My Heart has stepped it up. Still do amazing Cricut image sets and amazing scrapbook kits and awesome card making kits that have step-by-step tutorials and inspiration. They still have all the awesome and amazing inks. They offer Tim Holtz Distress Oxide inks. They have tools and adhesives and all of our favorite things as crafters. And they made it an awesome VIP program. So right now, on top of the fact that it is still the Black Friday sale until 11:59 Mountain Standard Time tonight, which has like 50% off or more a lot of items and goodies, and then there's going to be a Cyber Monday sale, and that's why this video is so important, because if you join as a VIP for $35, that's for the entire year. Your $35 is for your entire year membership. I mean, ridiculously cheap. You get an immediate $25 in Close to My Heart cash credit immediately when you sign up as a VIP, and you can do so right here through meganelizabeth.closetomyheart.com. I put a video up at bymeganelizabeth.com on the blog. We did a Facebook Live yesterday. We did all these fun things, but I'm going to show you a really quick video on how you can sign up. Hopefully the sound is working and you can see and do this really quick. This is how you sign up, and I'll be right back with you.
Hello, I am here to walk you through how you join the new Close to My Heart VIP customer program. So here I am on the home page of Close to My Heart, and you can see right here how easy we've made it to find this opportunity to join this amazing program. If you're shopping on your maker's website, you will see the same option. You just click Be a VIP. So when I click this, it's going to take me to a new homepage for the VIP program. This is where you can find out everything you need to know to understand the program. We've got our special pricing offer that's available right now through December 31st. You can also see the different benefits of the program. You can watch a video that walks you through all of the details you would need to know, as well as any question you might have. You'll find the answer right here in the area of our frequently asked questions. So all that information is right here on the same page. But what I'm going to show you today is how you actually join the program. It's so easy. So you're going to sign up with your email address. So I have an account I'm going to use. If you're new to Close to My Heart and have never set up an account, you simply click here and put in your name, email, and make a password. But if you have an account, you can go ahead and sign right into that, and you'll see we're going to start the VIP process. We're going to add our address. My name is Vanessa VIP, and I live at the Close to My Heart headquarters. So we're going to move forward with that. And the next prompt it's going to give you is to choose your Close to My Heart maker. If you are already a customer with a Close to My Heart maker, you can click this button here and type in their name and the city in which they reside. If you're new to Close to My Heart and have never shopped with a Close to My Heart maker, this is so easy. You're simply going to click this button and it's going to show you the 6 closest makers in your area. Again, this is just so that you are affiliated with someone, so you can click anyone you want if you're not aware of anyone specifically that you'd want to connect with. Next, you're going to add your payment. So Vanessa, VIP, I'm going to give just a mock credit card so you can see the whole process. And then that's pretty standard. Your next step will pop up a reminder that you need to click the terms and conditions. That's pretty standard. The next thing is subscribing you to the VIP customer newsletter. You are going to want to check this box because that is how we're going to communicate to you about all of the different specials. We're going to have exclusive product. We're going to have events that are designed specifically for our VIP customers, and we want to let you know about that through this amazing newsletter. So you'll click continue and you're ready to check out. You can see this is US dollars, so we're paying the $35 membership. There's some tax and we're submitting the application. So this just takes a minute for everything to process and the payment to go through. You can see it just took a few easy steps to sign up, and hooray, you're officially a member of our VIP program. We're so excited to have you, and you can see now that your program and your membership is activated. So your next billing cycle happens annually, 1 year from when you signed up. So if I sign up in October, anytime in October, my renewal day will be November 1st of the next year. So it's always the month after you signed up in the following year. So the nice thing about this is that now you can see that you've already scored VIP credits. You paid $35 to join, and if you joined before December 31st, 2020, you now have $25 in your account ready to use. If it's after December 31st, 2020, you have $15 ready to use. So it's awesome. You can start shopping right away. The other thing you have now available to you is your membership renewal information. So this will take you to your account settings. So if ever you move and need to change your address, you need to update your credit card information, see anything you've ordered, anything that you need to manage is right here in the account settings. So it's that easy, and we're so happy to have you join us for this amazing opportunity to be a VIP customer with Close to My Heart.
And it's really that easy. And then once you decide to click on that go shopping link, when it says congratulations, you have the new rewards credit, you just want to make sure that when you go to checkout, you enter in the $25 credit to be applied to your order. It won't automatically add that because you can accumulate rewards throughout time. So if you want to save those rewards for later, or if you want to use them to take advantage of the Black Friday shopping or Cyber Monday shopping, you're going to want to make sure you just type in apply CTMH cash credit and enter in whatever balance that you have. And then you'll immediately get 15% back in rewards. And it'll show you right when you check out how much you will have for your next shopping discount, which is just phenomenal. So it's really an amazing situation. It's huge benefits. And for the first time ever, you don't have to be a consultant to take advantage of incredible rewards and offers. But if it's something that you are still interested in becoming a consultant, you can still visit that link below and you can join to become a Close to My Heart maker. And it's only $50 for the year. And you immediately receive, for the year, $50 for the year to become a maker. And then you receive a $25 credit as well. But that requires a sales minimum per quarter, but you also get 25% as opposed to 15. So there's some benefits there. If that's something you're interested in, feel free to message me. But right now, what the phenomenal thing is becoming a VIP with the Close to My Heart program. $35 for the year, you get $25, so it's basically $10 for the year, and you get $25 to spend and 15% cashback rewards in Close to My Heart credit. And you also have the opportunity with Qualified to get the stamp of the month for free. To get the stamp of the month free every single month is pretty awesome with your Qualified orders, and to be earning cashback for each and every month is pretty phenomenal. Plus the Cyber Monday and Black Friday sales pricing up to 50% off select items. There's so many good things going on right now. I'm really excited about the Cut Above calendar workshop that is just going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's a special right now. You don't want to miss it. And there's going to be a really fun album retreat coming in January. So it's really just something you're not going to want to miss. I hope you guys have a really awesome, fantastic day. Enjoy your Saturday. Enjoy the outside weather if it's nice and sunny and warm where you are. And I'll be seeing you soon.